Now in this video I will continue line wise explanation of the chapter from the diary of Annie Frank. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13 years old girl is completely alone in the world. Here Annie Frank wants to share one thing with the reader, that she was 13 years old girl, but she was all alone in the world. She had family members, she had friends, but no friends and no family members were close to her heart with whom she could share her personal feelings. She could confide herself, she could express herself. So she was feeling all alone in the world. And I am not. And she also expressed that she was not alone. I have loving parents and 16 years old sister. Now she is telling about her family. She told that Annie Frank had a very loving parents and she had an elder sister. Her name was Margot. And there are about 30 people I can call friends. And she had near about 30 friends. I have family, loving aunts and good home. And she had family, she had good home. And no, on the surface I seem to have everything except my one true friend. Annie Frank here want to make it clear that she had loving family, she had near about 30 friends, but those friends were not very true friends with whom she could share her inner personal feelings, and no family members were also close to her heart with whom she could share her personal feelings. That's why she had decided she will keep a diary and she will share her personal feelings with the diary, because diary is non-living things and it will accept the good or bad thing whatever she will share, and the diary will not make a question with her it is good or it is bad. So she had decided to write a diary. She did not decide to share her personal feelings with parents, with aunt, with elder sister or with common friends, because she had no friends, no true friends. She had 13 friends, but among 13 there was no true or real friend. All I think about when I am with friends is having good time. Annie Frank was thinking all these things when she was living in Amsterdam with her family and she had friends. She was completely surrounded with the friends. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. Annie Frank wanted to make it clear that she could share her common things with her common friends, like 13 friends whatever she have, she could share with them only common things, and she could not share her inner or very private things with them because they were not her true friend. We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that's the problem. No friends was turning close to her with whom she could share her personal feelings. This problem Annie Frank had. That's why she did not share her private feelings with any of the friends. Maybe it's my fault that we don't confide in each other. Annie Frank here accepts that it is not only the fault of her friends that they were not very close to Annie Frank. It may be the fault of Annie Frank also, because Annie Frank also did not express herself with the friend, so the friends also did not express themselves with Annie Frank. In any case, that just how things are. Annie Frank want to make it clear that whatever had happened, I don't know, but the things were that no friends were close to her heart with whom she could share, she could express her private feelings, private ideas, and unfortunately they are not liable to change. and unfortunately no friends was turning very close, no friends was turning personal to Annie Frank. This is why I have started the diary. Annie Frank told that this is the reason by which Annie Frank started sharing her personal feelings, private feelings with the diary. One short question is asked from this, may be asked from this extract, that why did Annie Frank decide to write a diary? If this question will contain 3 marks, the answer will be Annie Frank decided to write a diary because she had a good family. She had near about 13 friends, but no family members, no friends were close to her heart with whom she could share her private feelings. And without having a true friend, she was feeling all alone in the world. That's why she decided to share her private feelings with the diary, because she thought that paper had more patience than people. Whatever the secret things she would share with the diary, with the paper, that will remain secret. Till then, she will not make it clear. She will not disclose them.